dress.
What's up, guys? So I'm here with Superbwigs once more. It's the same packaging as usual. So open the box. I see the wig. I got a scrunchie along with that and a wig cap. That's everything that came in the box. I also got an extra elastic band within the net that the wig came. So this is today's wig that we're working with. This is one of Superbwigs' new and improved 360 lace wigs. Okay, it's the upgraded hairline that's on this wig today. Upgraded / clean hairline, you know, that very natural look. Can also do a bun with this wig because, as I said, it's a 360, so you know lace goes right around. So that's how it looks. It's purely hand hooked. It's a hand hooked hairline because you see how well customized it is. It took a little bit longer to be made than a regular wig. You know, normally you need to hook 3 to 4 hairs in a lace hole or in the lace holes and then tie the knot. But with the clean hairline, as I've mentioned before, it's only 1 to 2 hairs tied into a single knot, which makes, you know, the knot smaller and looks more natural. This is how the lace looks on the inside. Now you can go ahead and do a light bleaching. Lace is very thin, so you want to be careful too because it's more delicate. So be sure to, you know, be careful if you plan to take that step. Oh, I didn't show you inside of the cap. It does have a total of 4 combs. All right, so just to give you guys a better view, that is how it looks. So it's very natural. You guys know that this is recently one of my favorite type of laces to work with, so I'm happy about that. So now that I've shown you that, oh, and by the way, it's a straight texture, as you can see. As it relates to density and length and all of that, I will be sure to drop those specifications in my description box, so do go ahead and check that out. Yeah, so let's go ahead and put this on. So I went ahead and slipped the wig on. I don't even do anything to it as yet, and look at how good that hairline looks. So as you guys saw, yes, I did not go in and do any extra work to the wig. This is it straight out of the box. Okay, so it came nicely pre-plucked. As you can see, it's not pre-bleached nor tinted, but the lace is very thin and it's one of those upgraded hairlines, so you will still see how well it can blend in even without any of that. But please make note that you could go in and do those stuff if you wish, you know. So yeah, it all depends on you and how much time you have to spend on customizing the wig further if that's what you want. So I was just lining it up, ensuring that, you know, it's aligned with my hairline properly, and as usual on the ear portion it's a little bit too long, so I did go in and cut off the excess lace so that, you know, it could fit around the ear portion better. Once I was done with that, I pretty much went in with glue, and I did only 1 layer today because this is, for me, was just okay. So I was going out actually, but there's something about a glue install that just, I love the hold, number 1, of using a nice lace glue. It gives a nice facelift, and I don't know, it's just more durable, even though this was for a short period, hence the reason why I use only 1 layer. I just love the way it feels, so that's the reason why I use glue for today's install. I did use a little bit of got-to-be spray just to seal it in, just a little bit, and I made sure to get the layer down tacky and clear, you know, the usual, before I went ahead and lay the lace down. And yeah, it was really easy to work with. You know, after I did that, I proceeded to cut away the excess lace. And as you guys, as I mentioned before, this is a 360 lace front wig. So if you want to go ahead and do a bun, by all means go ahead and do it. I do have a detailed 360 installation video here on my channel where I did it was one time that I did glue in the back, on the back of my head,
and it was quite different for me. But for today, I didn't do any glue on the back, and you'll see in a bit where I kind of did a quick bun, like a messy bun. And for me, most of the time when I get a 360 wig, I'm more lean towards a messy bun. And so right here, I use my wax stick to kind of lay the front really nice and flat. And I was really admiring the hairline. I'm not gonna tell no lie. It looks so good, so natural, and it's super flat and thin, and I love that. So this is the back, and nothing perfect. But yeah, I'm just showing you, you could definitely go ahead and do a bun, because you know that's one of the amazing features of this wig, the fact that it is a 360 wig. But today, you know, I did my, you know, good old center part, and as you guys know, this is a 13x4. You know, I got the parting really nice and straight, and it was so easy to just run through it with my flat iron because the hair was already so nice and silky. So it really was not a hassle to quickly get through straightening the hair. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this wig today from Superbwigs. Once again, I feel like Superbwigs, I'm never like upset at the quality they bring. You know, I'm always pleased. So I definitely 10 out of 10 would recommend this wig. So shout out to them for that. It was so easy to work with. You guys see how beautiful the lace is. It's really, really nice, and it's super silky. It's not heavy at all. You know, it's a very natural kind of natural density. You know, it looks very realistic, so I love that. It's very flowy. You know, the luster is nice. I'm really not getting a lot of shedding. That is a plus. Shout out to Superbwig for this bomb upgraded clean hairline 360 wig. I'm going to be sure, as I said before, to put the specifications in my description box, as well as the direct link to the wig. I'm actually going to dinner now, so I can't wait to go out and rock this. It's really, really nice, you know, sleek, straight look. So yeah, I really like it. Let me know if you guys like it too. And yeah, go to my description box to check it out, as I said before. And that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check out my vlog channel so you can see what happens tonight. You know, that's where I put up my daily or / weekly vlogs and stuff. So go ahead and check that out and support your girl. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.